just gave me an up nod. What a fucking lad. Now, I have to behave myself for one simple reason, I suppose. The missus told me. Now, I had the bright idea that the person who edits these videos is also my missus. So if I speed, or I'm an idiot, she gets to see. I'm not the brightest person in the world. Oh, who's the dog? Oh, you are handsome old bantam boy. And there's another dog? Oh no, 2 dogs. My shoes are bigger than them pair. Bye, friend. Have a great day, friend. I'm missing you already, friend. Well, you're a big boy. Fancy going head first into you? Look at me being all sensible. Look at the amount of sheep in there. Ah, no, there's a wee bug in here. I don't know what you are, but you're in the wrong place. Jesus. Bit bumpy. About the roadworks everywhere, but I'm also complaining about the state of the road. Beautiful little road. Some distance, like. There's some view of that. And a little doubt, you move. Are you still in a church? Fine it. Yeah, we're going to head towards Castle Douglas. I'm trying to keep some shots for the missus. Oh, right. Holding my gaze on something longer than that. Ooh, stick. Are you what? I could actually pop up and see the missus. That's the side I've been looking for. Your straight roads have been boring, buddy. I guess I'll go on piss weak little corner or something. I've got my hopes up. The boat's in the water. Ah, that's closed. Can I see from here? Quite a lot of boats. I wonder when it's actually open now. When can go play? It should be open now, we're in summer. I could have stopped here and got a better look. Parson. So we could get the paddle boards out, the dog, kayak, have a good wee time. Hey, a sheep. There are a lot of use in it. On the main roads, standard is standard. I've got some places to be. I've got to go and see my chief editor and Mrs. It may or may not be one and the same person. Morning, cows. I'm guessing they come out of these trees. Oh no, feels make more sense rather than feral cows. I don't know what that means. I don't think that means race. I think it means I'm going up here because that's not beating this. I love having a bike again, and I love having Laura to edit the videos and stuff because it kind of gives me a purpose to go out on the bike, and I just feel the need to go on the bike because sometimes when you've got a bike and it's a sunny day, you're like, right, I better get on the bike because it's a sunny day. I'm like, I better get on the bike, I got footage to take, stuff to do, places to be, fun to have. I don't even know if I've left the door open for my wee baby to come out and see me. Ah, yeah, there she is. Hey, my wee girl. Hiya. I'll be up in a minute. I'll be up in a minute. She's very pretty, my wee girl, isn't she? Oh, she disappeared. Wonder if she's hiding. Nope, she's just sliding. Hiya. Ah. Good girl. That's right, you headbutt everything. Yes. Yes.